Hey Dave, Scott Walker with Impact Layton SEO. Just making this video to show you kind of how I can help generate leads through your online presence with your website, Google Business Profile, and also Google Ads. So I usually start with your website and then we'll go from there. So for starters, your website looks very nice and professionally made, so that's awesome. But one thing I always recommend for people is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. So like, not necessarily Utah disaster, but like water restoration, Layton, Utah, or water damage restoration, Layton, because it has a service and a location. That's what I call buyer intent keywords. The other thing you could do is if you save, these are links. Let me find that's also, image, okay. But if you save your image correctly, instead of it saying mold vector, you could have it say buyer intent keywords like Layton damage or Layton water restoration damage, and that counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up. You're currently at 4 and 12 due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks, and what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. It looks like you're being indexed for 129 keywords, and you're getting about 40 people to your website each month, which is decent, but it could also always be improved. Looking at some of the keywords that you are being found for, disaster cleanup Utah, you are in the 8th position. You're getting roughly 7 out of the 150 people to your website each month. Disaster repair team, water damage restoration Layton. I like these ones better just because it's more specific to a city, but you are 4th for this one, so like especially if you're based out of Layton, then that would be beneficial for you. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I go after, and so I just went and looked up water damage restoration Layton right here. And right up top are the Google guarantees. The nice thing about these are there's a guarantee for the customer and the business. For the business, if I call this and I'm not a real lead, you can dispute it and get your cost per click back. For the customer, it's these people are, which looks like you right here. I guess you already know. Sorry, I should have taken a second to figure that out. But it looks like your background checked, your license and insured, and all that fun stuff. The other thing you can do is the Google Ads right here. A great way to have a good click-through rate is to have as much of this keyword in the ad itself, and it's almost the exact same, which it is. So I mean, like, that's a really good way to have a good click-through rate. The way to have a good conversion rate on your landing page, though, is when you land, click to call right up top, form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then also if you run any promotions, I don't know if you do, but if you do, have it right there. And then the background imagery should be relevant to what you're searching. So if it's water damage, have to show some water damage in the background. If it's fire, then show fire. So that's a great way to have a good conversion rate on those. And it looks like you're right here on the Google Business Profile too, which is great. One thing I always recommend, especially for a company that offers multiple services like water damage or fire damage restoration, is to make sure that all those other subcategories are also part of what you're being found for. So you have a great start here. You have 80 reviews. Other things you can do is just make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And then getting more reviews. I kind of have a few tricks to get those, especially if you have a good client list from the past. And so if you've had 50 years in business, I could probably get you a lot more than 80 reviews. So, but being in the Google Business Profile and ads, about 60 to 70% of traffic stops right here, and then we move down into the organics. Oh, I did forget to show you something. I'm so sorry. This is just how many searches are being found for water damage restoration or water restoration companies. Just in the Davis County area. So, I mean, we're looking at a few thousand searches each and every month, and so it's great to be put in front of those as well. So, but looking at the Restoration 1 right here, I mean, looking at their website, I mean, I know this is a back page, but they don't have too much content on here, so when you have more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank these guys. I'm assuming you go to Ogden and also Salt Lake, so I just did the 3 biggest cities up here. but I just did Layton, Ogden, and Salt Lake. But as you can see, there's 1,700 searches with the city attached to it. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total monthly volumes will start going to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Dave, thanks again for watching this. If you like what you see, let's set up a discovery call, and then we'll go from there. Have a great day. Bye.